Hi, my name is John Edwards. I'm the CEO of FEA.
Hi, I'm Maureen Roskoski, and I am a Vice President with FEA.
FEA is a small business that helps owners of constructed assets manage those assets better.
Strategic planning, prioritizing your financial needs, anything around the built environment, and increasing performance and getting to the level that you really want to operate at.
It was becoming frustrating and discouraging to be working hard and trying things ourselves and essentially getting flat results.
Really looking for a foundation for a sales process. We are a very client-centered company. We've always been focused on maintaining relationships.
And so we look to engage SalesStar to help us develop a more proactive approach engaging with the market so that we can grow and build and keep FEA around for a long time. SalesStar took the mystery out of the sales process.
We did a lot of activities to break up the workshop, to really dive deep into our processes, our needs, some of the positioning statements and key things.
SalesStar really laid out a process that felt very comfortable for FEA, both in terms of its client-centric approach, but also in its very process-oriented, which as an engineer myself, I very much appreciate. We've begun the process to implement a formal sales program, which we at FEA never had before, and we believe that's going to be key to our future success.
Strategy that came out of the workshop really provides that foundation for us to drive this for the rest of the year throughout our organization. It also provided a focus for us.
We feel confident now that we can engage more proactively with the marketplace, with our potential clients in a way that we've never been able to do before.
We also had more engagement with the group around this process.
Many others came away with a similar feeling that we can do this. I would highly recommend the Strategic Foundation Workshop to either establish or improve a sales program that a company might have.
And they were able to adjust to really fit our needs for that strategic workshop.
A lot of the staff from FEA who are involved in sales, both directly and I would say indirectly as project managers and project team members, were able to see their part and their role in helping to grow the company from a proactive sales perspective.
And I think sometimes we forget the value of a third-party facilitator for some of our planning efforts.
Many of us in the company came away feeling very comfortable that we could engage in a sales process without it coming across with any sort of negative reputation or somehow changing the total vibe of what FEA is all about.